Today I'm going to bring a digital microscope. Now this is perfect if you're going to start soldering and you want to do a demo on that. Or not only that, if you want to show small items that have great details, this might be the camera for you. So let's go ahead and take a look at it and see what you get when you purchase something like this. First of all, they give you off the bat, they give you the instructions, of course. They give you the actual display, and this is where you're going to see what you're looking at, all right? And this is the actual microscope with the actual lighting. And if you guys can see, there's the LED lights in there. Not bad. And then part of the stand, remote control, so you can zoom in and out. Part. Then you get the actual stand, and this one has extra lighting in there for it, so that's not bad. And then the actual neck and the USB that you're going to require, and then the DVD for the drivers, and rubber, pretty much it, rubber band here. And then when you get it right, just right, you could twist it to the bottom, so you could level it up, and that's it. The center, that's your pretty much. And then this part goes in here, and these things grab onto these right here, and you can zoom in and out through here, but make sure that these two are not that this is not covered, right? Goes into the actual digital system here. Plug it in here on the side of it. It's pretty much, this is kind of an awkward connection in here. And they did give you a micro USB, if you guys can see it. They give you up to 32 gigs on there, right? That's not bad. Let's go ahead and see what we can capture. But I would like to capture this into an actual USB connection directly. So let's see if we can do that too. So all right, we're gonna start the actual demo right now. If you guys can see, I just turned it on. It says PC camera, or it says you could go massive storage or PC camera or charging mode. So you could choose what you want. And we're gonna go down the buttons. There's a couple buttons here. There's a up a button, OK button in the middle, down button, and then you have a lock, memory, and then power. So actually, you have a camera, memory, and button and power button. All right. So these lights are a little too bright, so I gotta move them away from my theme. We're gonna go into camera mode. Camera mode. Hit OK. PC camera. So if you guys can see PC camera, I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the PC camera and add it in here. All right, we're gonna go ahead and capture this Raspberry Pi. If you guys can see it, we're gonna put it right here on the low light here. If you guys can see it, so you can see very details on this, and you can zoom in. Actually, we have the remote control in here. Let's see if we can move this up. So right now we have a PC mode, but we could actually change it through here too. Also on the actual control here. If you can see, I'm actually going to move this just a little bit, and I'm going to move this around so you can see some of the details in there. Look how well detailed, really good capture of the circuit board it is. So if you're going to solder stuff, you're going to work on the machine itself, this might be the solution for you. I mean, this will capture a lot of details, if you guys can see. So look at this. Incredible details. And this is because I picked up the PC mode, but you could do memory and pick up from the video card, from the actual micro SD card itself. So I like this. If you're gonna fix like any kind of like Raspberry Pi or anything that you're gonna work on, and then you could just add more light to it. Look at that. I'm gonna add some more light. You can move these around. You guys can see more light to the actual center. So you got three lights. You got the center light, which is in the middle. You got the two lights on the side. You can see all the circuit boards in details. So this is a great item if you're gonna do demonstrations on something that you're gonna demo high quality stuff to see the value of it, or if you're gonna solder or see micro stuff into lettering in here, might be a perfect way. Not only that, so say you're gonna read fine print, let's see how good it can read on some prime print too. So let's go ahead and say you have a little tiny dots, and I'm gonna little tiny information. If you guys can see, this is actually details from the actual manual, and I'm actually doing this, and and just moving it around, you know, so you can see the fine print on it. So it's not bad. So if you guys like what you guys see, make sure you guys subscribe. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we're out.